Listen to a teacher talking to her students about elephants.
Today we're going to talk about elephants. One thing you may already know about elephants is that they have very good memories. You may also know that elephants are very smart animals. The elephant has the largest brain of any animal on land. But how do we know they're smart? Well, scientists who study elephants found out that elephants use tools, just like people do. What do we mean by tools? Well, tools are physical objects that help us do things better than we could by using just our hands. For example, we could use just our hands to eat all the time. But using a fork and knife allows us to eat foods that are too hot or messy to eat with our hands, like noodles. Forks and knives are everyday tools that lots of people use. But what about elephants? What kinds of tools do they use? Well, in one study, scientists studied a young elephant named Kandala. They watched as Kandala tried to pick some fruit from a tree branch that was just a little too high for him to reach. After trying for a few days, Kandala found a large plastic block nearby. He rolled the block over so that it was directly beneath the fruit. Then he stepped up on the block so that he could reach higher. And just like that, he was able to pick the fruit with his trunk. And Kandala wasn't just lucky that one time. He remembered how to use the block, and he moved it again and again to reach more fruit. Kandala was able to solve his problem with the aid of a simple tool. Another tool that elephants use is a stick, which they use to scratch hard-to-reach parts of their bodies. They've also been known to dig holes to reach drinking water, and then cover the hole with tree bark to keep the remaining water from evaporating so they can drink more water later. These are all examples of elephants using tools to accomplish a task.